Sushant Singh Rajput, ladies and gentlemen, and Dil Bichara. Hello, fellas. Today it's a great day for everybody because today a new trailer has dropped, that is Dil Bichara, starring Sushant Singh Rajput, Sanjana Sanghi. Sorry, as we all know that it's his last movie, and everyone just messaged me on on my WhatsApp and on Instagram. They DMs me that please do Sushant Singh Rajput Dil Bichara. I am fan from Chichore. I am a fan from MS Dhoni. I just love the movie Kedarnath. So I also liked him from the movie MS Dhoni, and Chichore was also one of the best movies of all the time. So we are going to react to it, and I hope I don't get emotional and people also not get emotional, because this is the last movie of Sushant Singh Rajput after what we heard. I better not say. And before starting the video, I would like to request you to please subscribe my channel, also the bell icon, so you will never miss any updates from me. Also, links to the Instagram and Twitter are given in the description below if you want to follow me or comment me or suggest me something about any trailers or any reactions or give any feedbacks. I would love to hear it from you guys. So without further ado, the last trailer of Sushant Singh Rajput, Dil Bichara, which will be released on Hotstar, Disney Plus. Let's start.
मेरी नानी बचपन में अक्सर मुझे ये कहानी सुनाया करती थी। एक था राजा, एक थी रानी, तो मर गए। कहानी पर ऐसी कहानियां किसी को अच्छी नहीं लगती। मेरा नाम किसी बासु है। क्यों है मत पूछो, मुझे कैंसर है।
तुम्हारा नाम किस ने रखा? किसी? मेरा नाम इमानुअल राजकुमार जूनियर है। कुछ साल पहले मुझे बहुत साल को मार चुके गया। बड़ा मैं फाइटर हूँ।
तुम सेफ नहीं लगते, सीरियल के लिए टाइम लगते।
मैं सीरियल किलर, तुम सीरियल किलर। ना छोड़िए।
Oh my God.
सरी का मतलब
सरी हमारा वर्ड है।
Wow.
पर कैंसर को हंसी और खुशी से प्रॉब्लम है।
एक था राजा, एक थी रानी, दोनों मर गए खनकाने, पर ये कहानी अधूरी। इसे पूरा वो राजा और रानी करते हैं।
I want to say so many things, but I'm not able to say it.
मेरे हाथ के जैसे beats faster every time you come closer. मेरी प्रॉब्लम है, उसे सफर करने की जरूरत नहीं है।
तुम्हारा इस तरह से इग्नोर करना मुझे नहीं चाहिए। जन्म कब लेना है और मरना कब है हम डिसाइड नहीं कर सकते, पर कैसे जीना है वो हम डिसाइड कर सकते हैं। सही किसी बात से
और मैं तुम्हारी गर्लफ्रेंड नहीं।
अभी नहीं है, कभी
कभी नहीं।
चल छुट्टी।
Wow. This was final moment of Sushant Singh Rajput's reaction to his final movie. It's was directorial debut by Mukesh Chabra and I guess Sanjana Sanghi, Sushant Singh Rajput, It was told to me that Saif Ali Khan and it was being said that Saif Ali Khan, Javed Jafri also being part of it, but I'm not able to see it any point of time. I don't know if they are part of it or not, but whatever it is, like this was the final thing. This was like Foxstar Studios. Foxstar Studios have produced it, and this was the. I don't know what to say. I mean, it's cute, it's nice. It's based on the book Fault in Our Stars, and it was going to release in the later part of this year. But finally, it was a very. It's a nice thing. It is romance, it's drama, it's comedy, and it has all the elements that we need from a movie. And I am the person who wanted this movie to be in the theaters, but due to the Corona situation, it has to be released on the OTT platform. But deep inside, I really wanted to be in the theaters. You know, it is final thing. We did this in a Paul Walker, and we also wanted in the Sushant Singh Rajput. But I don't know when this Corona situation will go, and I think it's better this way. I sometimes think, I don't know. I'm not able to decide. I'm not the right person to decide this thing. But what I want to say is over here that let's cherish this moment which we have right now. We don't have any other option, but we are going to cherish each and every moment of this film that we love watching Sushant Singh Rajput and the other cast members who have put so much of efforts making this whole movie. And 2 days later, when we came to know that his Sushant Singh Rajput's final rites are being done, friends who really mean to him, Kriti Sanon and Shraddha Kapoor, were also present at that moment, and it was really nice to see your friends be there when you were at the lowest point, and they did their job as friends, and they this is what a real true friendship means. Also, many people were there, like Vivek Oberoi, and I don't remember who all were there. I just remember these two people were there, and also Vivek Oberoi was also there, and many people did support Sushant Singh Rajput and the things he was facing about depression and all sort of thing, and it was really at the very lowest point that we are not able to know, like when a certain person who is around us is smiling or laughing, but is at the lowest point in his life. He's at depression, and we can just ask him, we can just see, we just don't need to unforesee it, we just need to see it, we just need to analyze it, we just need to ask him if he's going any problem. We can just like spend some time with them. This will make them feel great, and what happened with this is absolutely surprising, and no matter how much I just wanted to say, but deep down inside I strongly connect with him, because like I was just 4 years younger to him, and I have been in depression in my life, and like it was like from the point it was 2013 to 2016. It was a 3.5 years, and I was able to do that because I was able to like spend some time with some people around me, or just like say things, or just hogging on to food, or like I just try to throw my attention to something else. But I guess he was in a very bad level that he was not able to take it anymore, and here we are, we lost him, and after a few days we saw his family contributing the ashes to the sea as a final course in the Hinduism for the final journey of a person in this world. And we all know that a few days ago the co-actress Sanjana Sanghi put out a video, heartfelt condolence for Sushant Singh Rajput, in saying that how they were terrified, and they were all there actually emotional and crying, and because the shoot was already done, and afterwards like now the news came out and everyone was shocked. So it was terrifying that morning when we came to know that he is no more, and when everyone was just going out in shock, we just came to know that he himself did that, and still a lot of things are unknown, like why he did that, what was the point of doing that, is that any, like, is it he did it himself or someone else did it, and lots of things are there, and I don't want to go in that. But right now what we have something over here is really beautiful, so let's cherish that, let's enjoy that. I hope that wherever Sushant Singh Rajput is he's doing great, and we all miss him, and as everyone says that the show must go on, and I would think that even Sushant Singh Rajput also wanted that the show must go on. I would request you to please subscribe my channel, also the bell icon, and also hit like if you like this video, and thank you so much for watching, and until the next video, until the next reaction, next review, stay connected.